Pulit kila kam sewe pat ubri ubakatang iba kodo nong pelu ubri nepo West Chantier District. Haga dei bakajing pthei bom ka belaja ha jaka yang bas po yo molong marjan bakajaka sa jong ki Harijan. Yo iba kodo lakam na po shlong menin kasi na kalang keyboard jong ki Pulit. Laban kedo hang ni bah chua jong kan ni ki Pulit kila kam yo ba tarsan lang ba ubri na kastong dauki barasan pras nam ka arta baraga joko poru udi nong bat kam jaka stang H1F. Hai ka beri bakani ka jeng pthei bom ka belaja ha ka te kamiet apa kalau ada kejeng julor jeng dukan kam juga kejeng pat jeng kiyet bakam biru kejeng mensau jeng we ubrio ka membuat kada do mentah kejeng kam jeng kiplek ka beri bakajeng pthei bom hakate ka jeka kalong Arngut.
On the night of 9th March at around 10:30 there was a IED explosion just adjacent to Syndicate bus stand at Punjabi Lane, and as per the initial investigation done by BDDS team, it appears to be the explosive used in the IED was gelatin, and it was put in a metal container. And we have since then we have begun investigating the case on the basis of the evidences that we have collected, the materials that we have collected from different sources, and from the scene of crime. We have till now we have arrested 2 individuals. Both of them were arrested last night. Their names and details I'm sharing in a while. One was arrested from Shillong, while the other person was arrested from Donkti, and he was brought last night to Shillong. Details of investigation I'm not at liberty to share at this moment, but we have very strong evidences against both of these individuals, and on the basis of that only we picked them up last night. One from Shillong and other from Donkti.
Are they both from HNLC?
That I will not comment at this moment.
So in that whatever happened that day on that night,
Yes.
Do you think it was pre-planned by someone and on
There
doing
is
that?
planning and conspiracy. There is we have very strong reasons to believe that there was planning, there was conspiracy, and there were different individuals involved in that. So we are looking at it from all angles, from all perspectives, and investigation is progressing by taking into consideration all these facts. Thank you.
Do you think there's more people involved in it, or there's just 2?
I'll not comment on that.
So both of them 2 now has been arrested.
Yes.